The Midwest is known as the Corn Belt and is the heartland of US agriculture. This region is the home of top agricultural schools in the US, which provide top-notch agricultural education and research opportunities. Corn and soybeans are grown in all the states and dominate the Midwest. Along with corn and soybean, wheat is grown in states like Kansas and Missouri. Fruit crops like apples, cherries, and blueberries are grown in states like Michigan, and sunflowers are a dominant crop in North and South Dakotas. Now, dairy and livestock industry are very prominent in states like Wisconsin and Ohio. Therefore, forage crops like hay and alfalfa are grown in these states. Now, when we talk about the top agricultural research areas, crop improvement, universities in this region focus on plant breeding, genetics, and gene editing for increased yields, pest resistance, heat and drought resistance to address climate change, particularly for corn and soybeans. Because of the large-scale nature of the Midwest, it makes it ideal for researching and implementation of precision ag technologies here. For example, GPS-guided machinery for yield monitoring, yield mapping, and precision planting, and using drones for crop health monitoring, and data-driven support tools for optimizing inputs. Another area where there is growing interest is regenerative agriculture, practices aimed at improving soil health and carbon sequestration. For example, rotational grazing, agroforestry, and multiple species cover cropping to store carbon in the soil and create healthier ecosystems. There is a rising interest in the use of biofuels and renewable energy. The Midwest continues to be the primary player in ethanol production because corn is the major crop. But because there are environmental concerns about biofuel production, there is a lot of research that is going on looking at next generation biofuels and renewable energies. So if you are planning your education or career in agriculture in the US, you must consider attending the schools in the Midwest. And don't forget to follow Vyavasayam for more tips.